Hi, welcome to simplyswim.com. In this session, we're looking at the Speedo Men's Vibration Alarm Watch. Looking at the watch in greater detail then, firstly it has a hydro pusher lap button, which can be pushed underwater to a dynamic pressure of 3 atmospheres. There's a 150 lap memory, 10 interval timers, a vibrating alarm, which is the unique selling point of this particular product. It displays the time for 2 time zones, and those can be changed using the button on the watch, which I'll show you in a few moments' time. Water resistant up to 100 meters, and that's clearly labelled on the watch interface there, just at the bottom, 100M. Unique strap design with a pinless buckle, to show you all the way around. Can be loosened or tightened using these holes. And of course the buckle on the very back. As a backlight for clear display, just one of the top buttons on the watch. A durable high gloss top ring, and polyurethane straps even just for extra comfort purposes. Really comfortable to wear, can be tightened or loosened accordingly. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on the watch. This particular watch has 5 main display modes. You've got home time with foreign time, chronograph, recall, timer and alarm. You'll notice on the front here, your first mode is the time currently, so 15:26. Has 2 different time zones, this one. So if you were to press the button on the bottom left here, it has 500, so 5 o'clock in the morning. If you were to hold in this button, just down here where my finger is, your second time zone becomes your default time, so that now registers at the time on the screen. Holding the button again, just wait for the watch to vibrate, and 15:26 returns as your default time. Now to switch through all different modes, unsurprisingly you press the mode button, and it flicks between the various modes, chrono, recall, timer and alarm. If you're inactive for a certain period of time, next time you press the mode button will return you to the timing screen. Now, starting off with the chrono, as you can see on the watch interface, it says 4 minutes, 44 and 39 seconds. Basically, it's just pointing out the last timing I actually did. This can be changed. 2 buttons on the right hand side here. This one just starts off, as you can see, 50, 51, 52. Can be stopped pressing the top button, and the timing has actually stopped completely at 4 minutes, 55 and 10 seconds. Again, using the mode button, you just at the bottom, press it hard enough, it comes back to the timing screen, 15:27. Pressing it, mode button 2 times after that. You come to recall, and just by magic, 4 minutes, 55 and 10 seconds. It just shows you what you've done previously on chrono. Now you can go through a series of different laps or different records that you set on your own watch. If you press the top one here, and for all this it goes through your best one, your last one, your slowest, lap 1, lap 2, lap 3, just various different records and various different laps, all changed at the bottom there, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, and so on and so forth. Pressing the mode button again, you return to the timing screen, 15:28. By pressing it once, twice and 3 times, you come to the timer. On the watch face it says 9 minutes 55 seconds. If you just press the bottom button here, that will start counting down, as you can see, 9:52, 9:51, so on and so forth. This can be stopped by using the button at the very top, and it stops at 9 minutes 46 seconds. This one's down to 0, of course, and you can change the default time. In my case it was 10 minutes, but you can change it. Pressing the mode button again will bring you back to the timing screen once again. Now, using the mode button once more, chrono, recall, timer and alarm. Now you can have 3 alarms on this particular watch, and all can be adjusted using these on the left hand side here. Press one at the top. It says alarm 1, at the moment it's off of course, alarm 3, and then you can choose to change this using buttons on the side. There we go, alarm 2, alarm 1, 2 and 3. At the moment it's off. Pressing the mode button again will return you to the main timing interface, 15:30 or 3:30. And of course that time zone can be changed as we've just seen. Really fantastic watch this with so many functions. Timing, alarm, chrono, recall. Fantastic watch this. If you're underwater, 100 metre water resistant, a really fantastic watch.